ka Jingshah Thok ki brio Lyngba ki mobile phone ha ki riushim kabu kala nang jur ha ka bala la ban saki Lyngba ka jingyo e ki message ki phone call da ki number ki bamla ban tip ki deina e bat ka ne kala Wanrah shibon ka jingdo nong yi ki to ki bangat hakum kini ki Jingshah kum taban pendunaya kum kini ki jat Jingshah na kalyang menteri Sorkar India beri khmiru ikatanat communication and information technology Washwini Vaishnav haka sautare gul ber arja arpusa ulak play pat ba ke digital intelligence platform and Chakshu report suspected fraud communication facility haka baki brio ki bangat hakum kini ki Jingshah Thok kin laban ujor Lyngba kani ka portal yakani ka portal la play Lyngba ka durki haka jinge don langki officer katanat telecommunication naga jilla Meghalaya ki bakan thop yau Sushil Kumar additional director katanat telecommunication Uraj Kumar CGM ka BSNL nalor ki wei haka jinge lang ka bala penlong hapo ka conference hall jong ka CTO building Shillong habay kran ban Sushil Kumar uloong balengba kani ka portal kala ban ni ai jinge rap yaki paj ba habaki ngat hagi bakum kini ki Jingshah Thok da ka baki pha ki jing ujor jong ki sha kani ka portal uloong ru baka tanat kadang persang ban Wanrah iki babun ki jat project ban kampun sok shu yaki paj ba hakani ka liang.
Your son has been arrested in a rape case. Your father has asked me to send you money. Dot is going to disconnect all your numbers. KYC of your account is expired. Are you alone? Hi, there.
Under the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister, DOT is committed to prevent such suspected communications.
Shri Ashwini Vaishnav ji launched the Chakshu portal and this portal is quite important as it is a citizen-centric portal and it will help the citizens in reporting the fraudulent fraudulent connections or fraudulent communication and it will prevent the cyber crime, financial frauds and impersonate fake customer services, lottery offer or so many other offers which comes on the mobile like installation of the towers or like take home loan or any sort of fraudulent calls comes then that can be reported on the Chakshu portal.
But in rural area like us here in Meghalaya, a lot of people face a problem with network connection. So what will your department do?
A number of projects are already in progress, like for the saturation project which is already in progress and BSNL is installing the towers and USOF project is also in progress and we hope in future the umbrella coverage will be provided across the not only Meghalaya but across the northeast and across India. If the people feel that the message is from the fraudulent number, they can block the number. This is basically this can be made popular that they can block those numbers as the minister has also mentioned and it is very easy to block the number. Like you are saying, not the smartphone, the normal phone.
Yes.
If they get the message.
Yes.
Basically, it has to be reported through portal. App has not come till now, so we have to report through portal only.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata, habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, page ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Wanrah Shapi Lyngba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.